is Kara and I'm the product specialist here at the Mercedes-Benz of Jacksonville. Today I'm in a 2023 AMG EQE Sedan and I'm going to be showing you how to use your voice assistant, or better known as Hey Mercedes. Let's begin. To activate your voice assistant, you can either press the push to talk button on your steering wheel or say, Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
What can you do for me?
I can help you operate different functions easily and intuitively. You can see some examples here. Give it a try. If you don't know how to do more, you can say, help, at any time, and I can explain what you can do. If you want to make a phone call or use other phone functions, say, for example, call John Doe, missed calls, or MB emergency call. To operate the navigation, say, for example, navigate home, cancel route guidance, or navigate to McDonald's in Baltimore. You can manage your messages by saying, for example, text message to John Doe, read out new text messages, or show new text messages. You can operate the vehicle functions by saying, for example, AC on, rear window defroster on, or air recirculation on. You can operate the radio functions by saying, for example, radio station WNYC, next station, or save station. To use the media functions, say, for example, play sailing, repeat this track, or what am I listening to?
Thank you so much for watching my video on how to use the voice assistant. If you have any questions regarding this or any questions about the vehicle you currently own, please reach out to the dealership and I'll be happy to assist you. Again, my name is Kara and I'm the product specialist here at the Mercedes-Benz of Jacksonville.